Crude oil traded in a very narrow zone today. The resistance at 81.4, which was earlier a resistance, has now been a support. It has touched the levels and now trying to recover a bit. At the same time, 82.2 on the upside is giving it a tough resistance. It has failed to break past. We have seen that earlier. Now, what to expect with the US session for natural gas? Also, we can see it getting support at 2.56 levels, 2.55 levels, and it has stayed in range here. So which position you should take trading crude and natural gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into crude, followed with nat gas. Do watch till the end. Let's start, and yes, those who are new must press the bell icon as this keeps you updated with the twice-a-day analysis. This is the second update for the day. First update was released before the before the Europe and Asia session, and definitely those who watched must have profited. Also, do press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment. This has always been a great motivation for me. Now, look at the hourly charts for oil here, taking the support here at 81, then 81.4, 81.5 zone, and now trying to stay with the rise. You can see prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged, now trying to rise again. Hence, above 82.2, you can buy. However, rather I will say you can buy here at 81, 82 itself, but then 82.2, 82.5 levels I will look forward to. 82.5 is the next resistance which it should touch. It should try to touch, and beyond that is sky the limit for 83.5, 84 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is willing to give you second bearish leg here, but let's see if it converges, crosses over on the upside. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, you can see here it is taking the support from the 20 and 50 period moving average, trading in this bullish channel. Now this is beautiful, isn't it? How beautifully it is taking the support and trying to trade with rise. Now yet again, if you look at the 2-hour charts, you will find lower highs are seen and higher lows are seen, trying to consolidate a bit, and hence above 82 there could be little rise. But see, these two candles are important, which traded outside Bollinger Bands, got a very strong resistance at 82.2. Buy at 82, however, with the strict trailing stop loss 82.2, 82.5 are two major resistances. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Stochastic rising here, MACD crossed over for a sell, which suggests a little bearishness. RSI looking downward, suggesting a slight bearishness here. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation. Lower highs are seen. It can potentially try to come down till towards the 20 period moving average here and get the support at 81.4, and then 81 is the ultimate support, below which further bearishness will be seen. But then 81, 80 are two very strong support levels for oil now. The stochastic looking down, MACD crossing over for a sell. RSI is also trying to trade with bearish bias. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour chart, see the previous candle was a death cross. You can see lower highs are seen, and it can continue with the bearish bias here, potentially trying to achieve this or these levels. So yes, you can sell here at 81.6 levels, but then 81.4, 81.2, 81 are till 81, I will say very strong support exists for oil here. Below 81 is where the bears will take over for 80 and below levels. Yes, it is trading with a bullish bias. You can see very clearly it is trading in this bullish channel. Let it break below 81 or 80 levels. These are the two levels below which only the bears will take over here. Stochastic dropping here, MACD crossing over for a sell, RSI looking down here. On the daily charts, if you look, now see on the daily charts, higher lows are seen here. It is yet respecting the higher lows level, and see previous two candles were bullish here. Though the bullishness is getting diminished, you can see the body size, however it is achieved higher highs. So largely one has to remain be careful and watchful in between 82.5 and 81.4 levels. And yes, you can sell here at 81.6 with a little risk and buy at 82 with a little risk. However, on the downside till 81 you have to be careful, and on the upside till 82.5 you have to be watchful. Beyond that, only further bullishness may take it till towards 82.8, 83.5 and 84 levels also. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, if you're selling here at 81.6, 81.4, 81 is a very good support at 81. Then 80 and below 80 where is the place where the bears will take over. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of 7th of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at natural gas on the hourly chart. See bearishness here increasing on the hourly charts, retracement, getting resistance at 2.6. It is again continuing its downward journey. Now remember 2.55, very important support for net gas. I will be definitely watching out how it behaves at around these levels. And 2.6 is definitely a good resistance. Beyond that, we should treat this for a V-shaped recovery here. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over for sell, RSI looking downwards. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation, it has come back till towards the support levels again. If you divide into two half, you will find this is replication of this phase, and potentially from here it could try to take off. So be watchful. Stochastic looking down, it has come to oversold levels. MACD is bearish, RSI is also trying to trade with a bearish bias. Coming to 3-hour chart, yes, we have seen increasing bearishness in the preceding candle. This candle is trying to break out, taking the support from 2.55. Potentially at these levels, I will see how it behaves. And yes, a sell entry below 2.54 can be taken, but then also remember 2.5 is a very good support here below 2.54 levels. This zone between 2.5 and 2.55 is a very critical zone for net gas to stay above. If it stays above, certainly the bullish momentum can continue. Stochastic dropping again, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is looking downwards here, suggestive of bearishness. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see lower highs, lower lows. Right now it is skipped on the downside. However, the bottom here at 2.5 is seen. So first I will look forward to how it behaves at 2.55 and then 2.5 levels. Still here, there is still very strong chances of revival for natural gas on the upside. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness. Coming to the daily. On the daily chart, see these three candles almost have got the support at the same levels. So this level indeed is important. Second is the reversal signal here at 2.53 and then support at 2.55. This makes this complete zone between 2.55 and 2.5 as a very strong support zone. So if you are taking a sell here at 2.54, you have to be very cautious and alert, as it can also potentially show a very strong recovery. And any rise about 2.6 is where you can buy, where you can expect 2.65 levels and 2.7 levels. See 2.65, 2.7, 2.76 are three levels above which only the natural gas is to be treated as bullish. Stochastic looking down here, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. RSI is almost flat. Considering this, you can sell today 2.54, but then 2.5 to 2.5, very important support zone exists here in between these levels, and if you are selling, you have to stay cautious and alert. At least trade with a stop loss at your entry price. And below 2.5 is where the bears will take over. I will look forward to 2.47, 2.44 levels. On the upside, you can buy at 2.6, but then beyond 2.6, you can still expect 2.6465 as the first target, 2.7 as the next, and 2.76 as the third. Beyond that, we should treat natural gas as bullish, and then it is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.